Hey y'all, come on in. Let's see what's happening in today's video. Mine. Next slate explains it all. Because I got high.
Ready? Ready?
Oh, here he comes.
Got it?
They're all coming in now.
Oh no! Oh no! Let's see, I have one catch a piece of bread. So what are you doing, weed? You feed the seagulls. All I have is in my head is Finding Nemo. Mine. You're laughing at me? Huh? Oh, you saw him? Cheeto! Okay, this is almost as fun as going to the golf and feeding the seagulls. Woo! Yes! There. You're a pig. Say no, I'm a seagull. Uh-oh, the piece of bread fell. Y'all gotta wait. The last piece fell, hold on. Oh yeah?
I got sausage.
Hold on a minute. Well, we're gonna see if they eat sausage. Let's see if they eat sausage. I think they'll eat anything. Aren't they scavengers? You had to tell your friend, huh? Yeah? Oh. Y'all are piggies. Oh yeah? You gonna tell me a story? Yeah? Yeah? Damn, you almost flew in the car. To answer your question, yes, they eat sausage. No? Don't tell me no, I watched you grab it. Huh? Huh? I amuse easily, I promise. Oh, careful. Huh? 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 Oh, you telling me a story? Hold on. You saw my hand move. Oops. Seagull crash landing. Oh yeah? Yeah? We started with 2. Where y'all all come from? Now? Oh my God! He's like right in frame too, the one that's laughing.
Yeah.
Like, you know what that is, huh, bud?
Yeah.
There's one way over here. There's one right there. Okay. I hit the button. I accidentally turned y'all off. Hey, no fighting. No fighting. There's plenty. There you go. You got it. Good job. Let's see. Y'all lined up like those school kids. Whoops. Whoa. Seagull wreck. Oh yeah? Bonk. He got sausaged in the head. Oh, damn, he almost flew in the window. I gone. guys. All gone. Yes, all gone. All gone. You're looking at me like, hey, I want more. Y'all had 2 sausages and a hot dog bun. Don't tell me no. No? You gonna argue? Huh? You gonna argue with me? Yeah? I don't got no more. All gone. Alright, time to move on. Time to move on. Oh, what are you doing over there? I gone. Scavenger. We amuse easily. Say goodbye to YouTube. Say goodbye, YouTube. Yes. Yes. Yes.
As always, thanks for watching. That's right. Y'all know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you know. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.